At Drone Harmony, we're redefining what efficiency means in aerial inspections. Begin with a top-down mission to map rooftop structures with pinpoint precision, ideal for detecting surface-level issues and layout complexities. Then transition effortlessly to a facade inspection to capture vertical elements. Critical for understanding structural integrity and hidden defects. With just a few clicks, seamlessly combine multiple mission types into one automated flight plan. It's faster, smarter, and dramatically reduces time spent on site while ensuring you don't miss a detail. One mission, complete coverage, zero guesswork, Drone Harmony, bringing structure, clarity, and control to drone data collection.